video we will learn about how to get file path and file name by using Excel formula, and also how to get total number of sheet and active files, and also what is our current sheet number. So first of all we will see how to get our current sheet name and path. Now my file is located in this folder, right? Yeah. This week path and this week task and my folder file. So how can I get my folder path where my file is located? So simply write here cell and simply get information type here, file name, and pick up any cell. So you will get file name and sheet name, both are as well. Okay, now if you want to get how many sheets in your active file, so simply write here info number of files. So there are 55 sheets in my one particular file. Okay, and if you want to get current sheet number, so you will have to write VBA code for this. So first of all go to here, write here simply function active sheet, range is range. Okay, or do nothing, just remove this. Simply write here not index. Right here. Okay, so my current sheet number is 12. If I go here, then my current sheet number should be 11. So you can get file number, path, and also total number of sheet in this video. Thanks for watching.